British Queen. Doesn't seem to be doing very much, this one. A bit difficult to use, too. The Star. This one feels more comfortable. Just swept up a feather. And the Reeves pneumatic broom doesn't sweep very much up at a time. Nearly got that bit of dirt. This is the Daisy number 2. Nice action, nice crank and bellows, but I don't actually think it's getting anything off the carpet. This one is the Baby Daisy. Oh, it's much bigger than the Daisy number 2. Slightly difficult coordinating all both the actions at once.